In this video, we're going to try and answer some of the most commonly asked questions
regarding flat roofing, and we are happy to answer any specific questions related to your project.
Hi, my name is Kyle Brooks, and I'm the manager of the roofing department at Beyond Roofing.
Hi, my name is Colin Mill, and I am in the roofing division at Beyond.
How long does a roof last? The average roof system will last between 20 and 25 years. With maintenance, they could last a little bit longer.
Does my new roof come with a warranty? Absolutely. All new roof applications and replacements come with both a labor warranty, which is provided by the contractor, and a material warranty, which is provided by the manufacturer.
Can my flat roof be repaired or maintained, or does it need to be replaced? It depends on how long the issue's been happening, how severe the issue is, and the level of damage it's already done to the roofing system or the building. These are questions that can be answered on site. We need to come on site and do a roof inspection, and we can let you know if we feel that going the repair route is going to be a viable option. How long will the installation take? That's going to vary greatly depending on the system that is chosen and the size of the project. For most residential projects, you're looking at a few days. For larger projects, it could be anywhere from 2 weeks to a month.
How do you maintain a spray foam roof? Fortunately, spray foam roofs are one of the simpler roofs to be able to maintain. Basically, you want to keep any organic debris or inorganic debris off the roof surface and do basically a annual review just to make sure that animals, birds haven't damaged the surface.
What roof system is best for my project? We come to site, we'll have a look at your project, and we'll make recommendations based on what we feel is best. However, if you're more comfortable with certain roofing systems over others, we can always fit your needs. Some systems are going to go with a torch-on roof, what's known as an SBS roof, and that's one of the most commonly installed roofs in Alberta. Other roofs are going to be really well suited for the spray foam roofing system, and other roofs are going to go with single ply membranes, and it's really just based on what your individual project needs or how intricate it is, or what's the best project that's going to be suited for it.
How much does a new roof cost? There are many variables and factors that can affect the value of a roof. Some of the products you can do good, better, best. Obviously, there are cheaper options and more expensive. Size of company will affect that. Smaller companies will have less overhead, might have a cheaper cost as that, and they may use different products or different approaches. A bigger company will have higher overhead. That will also make their costs a little more expensive. Beyond kind of falls right in the middle, and our focus is on quality of product and quality of workmanship.
Can I replace my flat roof in the winter? Yes, depending on the system chosen and what the current weather conditions are. Most of the torch-on roofing systems can still be applied up to minus 20 degrees Celsius, and we have a few other systems that can be applied up to minus 10. We are a little bit limited in the winter, but there are systems that we can definitely apply in the winter. It does go a bit slower though.
We hope you found this video helpful and we've answered some of your questions.
And we do understand that there are more complicated questions that need to be asked and answered, but we can answer those in person on site.